transfer YouTube channel in another Google account. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and search now like this youtube.studio.com and log in now and find your account you want to transfer and click on the settings option here. So click on setting and click on the permission options and you will option like permission. So click on the invite options and email, type the email like this and select access like manager, editor and editor limited and subtitle editor and viewer and like this anything options like viewer limited. So click the like owner options here. So click on the manager options and you show option like I'm not showing QA but I am brand account not here, so I'm not showing, but you show options like owner. So click on it and done now and you person the accept your request and your account is successfully transferred. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.